guys, no, what's up sa inyo? Nandito naman po tayo sa panibagong vlog at ang content natin ngayon ay tungkol sa isang taong kilalang kilala natin.
So now, let's talk about multiple intelligences by Howard Gardner's theory. So, multiple intelligences proposes the differentiation of human intelligence into specific modalities of intelligence rather than defining intelligence as a single. It refers to the theory describing the different ways students learn and acquire information. So, who is Howard Gardner? He is a Harvard psychologist, a well-known proponent and researcher in multiple intelligences. He says overall intelligences is divided into 8 independent categories. The implication. Our school system, textbook, and standardized tests tend to focus on linguistic and logical mathematical intelligence while ignoring the 6. Traditional model says students who are talented in one area of the school tend to be talented in all the others, but the theory of multiple intelligences challenged tradition. Some students are better in logical mathematics than others, while others may specialize pattern matchings or some other area. Field trip and sport program may be more important than we realize because they encourage bodily kinesthetic intelligence and on-foot learning. The application. By dividing students into group for team projects, teacher can foster interpersonal intelligence and indirectly interpersonal intelligence. Ability groupings places students of similar aptitude and achievements together so they receive instruction targeted to their society. Within class ability groupings, divide students in one class into groups, whereas between class ability grouping divides all students in whole grade into classes. In middle and high school, tracking places students into classes on the basis of ability and career goals, hopefully developing their preferred intelligence. So what are the 8 categories? So first, let's talk about linguistic intelligence. It is characterized by sensitive to language art, the meaning of words, their orders, and inflection. It involves the sensitivity to spoken and written language, the ability to learn languages, and the capacity to use language to accomplish certain goals. This is also the ability to understand and reason using concepts framed in words. The examples are poets and linguists. The next one is logical mathematical intelligence. It characterized by the ability to process long string of information, complex reasoning, and recognize patterns in the world. It refers to your ability to reason, solve problems, and learn using numbers, abstract visual information, and analysis of cause and effect relationship. The examples are scientist and mathematician. Next one is the musical intelligence. It characterized by the sensitivity to pitch, melody, tone, rhythm, harmony, timbre, and other elements of music. It refers to skills in the performance, composition, and appreciation of musical patterns. The examples are pianist, violinist, and composer. Next one is a spatial intelligence. It is characterized by accurate three-dimensional perception of the world and the ability to control perception. It builds spatial judgment and the ability to visualize with mind's eye. It refers to the person's ability to perceive, analyze, and understand visual information in the world around them. The examples are navigator and sculpture. Next is the bodily kinesthetic intelligence. It characterized by a fine-tuned ability to use the body and the handles object. It refers to the person's ability to process information physically through hand and body movement, control, and expression. The examples are dancers and athletes. The next one is the interpersonal intelligence. It is characterized by an understanding of interpersonal relation and an understanding of others. It refers to the ability of person to relate well with people and manage relationship. The examples are therapist and salesperson. Next is the intrapersonal intelligence. It is characterized by access to one's own feelings life and an understanding of oneself. It regards one's own feelings and emotion. It is the capacity to explore one's inner world and feeling. It can help a person focus on planning and managing their own life. The examples are self-aware individuals and a philosopher. Lastly is the naturalist intelligence. It's characterized by the ability to recognize similarities and differences in the physical world. It involves how sensitive an individual to nature and the world. It also the ability to identify, classify, and manipulate elements of the environment, object, animals, or plants. The examples are anthropologists and biologists. The criticism. This theory is popular among educators. Some critics say it has not been validated by research. Others disagree that the different domains such as spatial and naturalist qualify as different forms of intelligence. Either way, students need experience with each dimension to develop different skills and will be rounded. The conclusion. So these are the picture of 8 categories of multiple intelligences. Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences is a useful tool for explaining specialties and student achievements.
So that's it for today. See you to my next vlog.